Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color a seahorse in a fun and charming way. Let's begin the drawing. Seahorses are one of the most unique marine creatures. Unlike most fish, seahorses swim upright and use their curled tails to hold on to seagrass or coral. They move slowly and often rely on camouflage to protect themselves. One of the most fascinating facts is that male seahorses carry the eggs and care for the young. When drawing a seahorse, small details, soft curves, and decorative patterns along the body help create an illustration that feels gentle, lively, and visually engaging. Now, let's start coloring. And just like that, we've finished drawing and coloring the seahorse. It looks adorable, doesn't it? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel.